Hello, future of India. Now we are going to discuss DPP number 5. You can see first question on the screen. What asking here? Here asking the maximum value of the function of x is equal to sin x plus cos x is. Maximum value asking. Whenever they will ask maxima or a minima situation, then what you will do? First, you will differentiate this function. So now we are going to do differentiate of this function with respect to x. Why? Because this function is a function of x. Okay, so now d over dx sin x plus d over dx cos x. So differentiation of fx we can write here f dash x, and differentiation of sin x we can write here cos x, and differentiation of the cos x we can write here negative of sin x. So this value you got differentiation of the given function with respect to x, but we need to find maximum value of this function. So whenever maximum minima will come, so you will do one thing. For maxima and minima, for maxima and minima, what you will do, you will put this differentiation value is equal to 0. Okay, so now you can place cos x minus sin x is equal to 0. So you can write here sin x is equal to cos x, and finally you can write here sin x over cos x is equal to 1. So finally we can write here tan x is equal to 1. Then what we can do here, tan x is equal to, in tan what is the value of 1? It means 1 we can write here in tan form 10 pi by 4. So now 10 and 10 will cancel, so x we can take here pi by 4. So it means this at x is equal to pi by 4, this function will give maximum value. How much maximum value they will give? So we can place this value in this equation. Which equation? This function. In this function we can place this value. So now we are going to place fx is equal to sin x plus cos x. So that maximum value at pi by 4, so we can write here sin pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. So sin pi by 4, you know the value of sin pi by 4, 1 upon root 2. And similarly cos pi upon 4, 1 upon root 2. It means finally 2 upon root 2. So we can rationalize this value 2 upon root 2. So 2 upon root 2 rationalize means root 2 multiply and root 2 divide. So finally we can get here 2 root 2 divided by 2. So 2 will cancel. So finally we can get root 2. It means the maximum value of this function will be equal to only root 2. So this is the final answer of this given problem. Now you can see next question on the screen. The displacement of a body at any time t after starting is given by s is equal to 15t minus 0.4 t square. This is a displacement given. So now the velocity of the body will be 7 meter per second. It means velocity will be 7 meter per second. Then asking what about the time. So you know very well, whenever displacement given like this, displacement given in the form of equation. Which equation? Time equations. Okay, so now we need to find the velocity. Then what we can do, we will differentiate this displacement with respect to time. So we can write like this, d over dt t minus 0.4 is a constant, d over dt t square. So we can mention here d over dt of t, it will give 1. So we can write here 15 into 1, is it okay, minus 0.4 differentiation of t square, it will give 2t. Okay, So now finally we can write here minus, here we can write it 15 minus 0.4 into 2 minus 0.8 t. So this is a displacement differentiation value. It means when you will differentiate the displacement, then you will get velocity. So this is a velocity value. So what they are telling, when velocity is a 7 meter per second, then what is the time? So you can place here 7. Okay, so now 15 minus 0.8 t. So we can write here 0.8 t is equal to 15 minus 7. So we can write here 0.8 t is equal to 8. So t is equal to 8 upon 0.8. Decimal remove, 0 increase, cancel 10. So finally you will get t is equal to 10 second. It means when velocity will be 7 meter per second, then time will be 10 seconds. Okay now. So now you can see next question on the screen. They are asking the acceleration of the particle at any time t. So equation is the same. What is the equation here? Equation having this one equation. Displacement equation, this one. Now asking acceleration at any time. So acceleration at any time asking, so we can write here first displacement equations as is equal to 15t minus 0.4 t square. So you got the velocity equation when you did differentiate this value. So you got velocity 15 minus 0.8 t, but they are asking what is the acceleration. So acceleration asking means you will again do the differentiate of velocity with respect to time. So here differentiation of the constant value 15 minus 0.8 is a constant d over dt t. So differentiation of constant value, it will give 0, and d over dt of t, it means differentiation of t with respect to t, 1. So minus 0.8. So differentiation of velocity, it will give acceleration a. So finally acceleration will be minus 0.8 meter per second square. Is it okay or not? Clear any doubt? If any doubt having, you please make a comment below the comment box. Now you can see next question on the screen. A particle is moving in a straight line. It means any particle having that is moving in a straight line, its displacement at a time t is given by as is a symbol of the displacement in meter, minus 4t square plus 2t. Then its velocity and acceleration. Similar questions. Displacement equation is given. They asking velocity and acceleration, but when time will be half second. So now because given here displacement equation given minus 4t square plus 2t given, we need to find first velocity. So you will differentiate this value with respect to t, minus 4 d over dt t square plus 2 is a constant d over dt t. So differentiation of t square, you know very well which formula, x power n x power n minus 1, it means t square means 2t, plus differentiation of t with respect to t, it will give 1, so 2 into 1. So minus 4 to the minus 8t plus 2. But this is a what you got velocity. Differentiation of the displacement, you got velocity. So this is a velocity. But they asking the value of the velocity when time, if time t is equal to half second, then velocity v, velocity at t is equal to half second. So we can write here minus 8 into half plus 2, 2 4 ja, it means minus 4 plus 2. So we can write here minus 2 meter per second. It means velocity, we can also write like this also, ds over dt at t is equal to half second. We can also write like this. Okay, so finally you will get velocity at t is equal to half minus 2 meter per second. Now asking acceleration at same time, it means t is equal to half second. So acceleration means again you will differentiate value of the velocity d over dt is equal to what you can do, minus 8 into d over dt t plus d over dt constant value 2. Why? Because here having constant 2. So now you're going to differentiate again, so you will get here acceleration. So d over dt of t will 1 and it will be 0. Differentiation of constant will be 0. So finally we can write here minus of 8. So here not having the function of time, it means t. So we can consider as a minus of 8 meter per second square as a acceleration. Suppose that I'm writing here acceleration at t is equal to half. So it is a not having time function. So minus 8 is coming. So finally we can write acceleration at t is equal to half second will be minus 8 meter per second square. So this is the answer of this given problem. Okay. Now you can see next question on the screen. Very good questions. A stone thrown upward from ground. Okay. Level has its equation of height h is equal to 490 t minus 4.9 t square, where h is in meter and t is in second respectively. What is the maximum height reached? Again maximum condition came. So maximum condition came means you will apply same method, differentiation method. Now maybe you are able to understand why we are learning that physical mathematics. It means this is a very important for the solving the problem of physics with the help of mathematics calculation. So please proceed. So now what given here? Height equation given, h is equal to given 490 t minus 4.9 t square. So they are asking maximum height asking. So maximum height asking means, so what we can consider here, first we will do the differentiate of this value with respect to time. So finally we can get here 490 differentiation of t with respect to t minus 4.9 differentiation of t square with respect to t. So dh over dt, so we can get here differentiation of t with respect to t 1. So 490 multiply 1, it means 490 will come minus 4.9 into differentiation of t square, it means it will give 2t. So dh over dt we got 490 minus 2 9 ja 18, 8 2 4 ja 8, 9.8 t. So this is a differentiation value. So we need to find maximum situation. So what we can consider, this value we can consider it as a 0. Which value? Differentiation value. So now we can write here, okay, for maxima minima, for maxima and minima. For maxima minima, so dh over dt we will consider 0. So finally we can write here 490 minus 9.8 t is equal to 0. So we can write here, what we can write, you can see here 9.8 t is equal to, we can write 490. This minus will come here also and here is also minus, so it will cancel. I am not writing this one. So finally we can write here t is equal to 490 divided by 9.8. So 9.8, so this decimal remove, here 1 0 will increase, 49 2s are 98 and here is a 50. It means finally t is equal to 50 second. It means when time will be 50 second, then the value of this function, this height will be maxima. So they are asking, what asking? A stone thrown upward from ground level has its equation of height is equal to this, where h is in a meter and t is in second respectively. What is the maximum height reached by it? So maximum height asking, we got time. So we got time, what time we got? We got time t is equal to 50 second. So at t is equal to 50 second, maximum height we are going to find. So we can apply the value of 50 here. So we can apply the value of 50 here. So here is a space having. So here I am solving this one. Okay, they are asking the maximum height. So we are going to apply this value here. So what is the equation having here? Equation h is equal to 49, h is equal to having 490 t minus 4.9 t square. So 4.9 t square. So you can place the value. So 490 multiply 50 minus 4.9 multiply 50 square. So now we can solve this one. How we can solve? You can resolve this value. 50 you can take common. So now we can write here 490 minus 4.9 multiply 50. So now you can resolve this one. So 50, 490 minus 5 9 ja 45, 5 carry 4, 5 4 is 20, about 24. So 24.5 will come, but here is a 0 also having, so 245 will come like this. So we can write here 50, 490 minus 245. So 10 minus 5, 5, 8 minus 4, 4, 4 minus 2, 2. It means 245. So finally we can multiply this one. So 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 4 ja 20, this is 22. Okay, so 5 to the 10, 12. It means 12 to 50 meters. So this is the maximum height of that stone. Clear any doubt? No doubt, no. But actually there is a noise space, so I solved there. Okay, but please you can revise once again. If you having any problem, any doubt having, you can make comment below the comment box. Either I already given their WhatsApp number, so you can ask your doubt there also. Okay. Now next question you can see on the screen. There is a given y is equal to given 6x square, then asking integration of x plus 1 dy. Listen one thing. Here is a dy is given, here is a x having. So we cannot do the integrate. Here is the integration having. Okay, listen this thing. Here is the dy given, here is the x plus 1. X, here is the dy. We cannot do integration. First we need to convert either this one value, either this one. We need to convert. So we will convert with the help of this. So y is equal to given 6x square. We should differentiate this value with respect to x. So we can write here 12x. Clear and out? So now what we can do here? We can write here dy is equal to 12x dx. So now you got the value of dy. This dy value you got, you can place the value here. So finally we can write here integration of x plus 1 dy. We can place the value integration x plus 1 dy value you got 12x dx. So 12x dx. So now you can do. So I is equal to, I means integrations. Okay. So now 12 is a constant we can keep outside. So x it will be x square. Okay. And plus here we can write x1 ja x. So we can write here x also and here dx. Now you can separate this value. So I is equal to 12 integration of x square dx plus integration of x dx. So last video I explained already integrations. Different, it means definite integration or indefinite integration. So now this is a indefinite. Why? Because limit is not given. So finally we can do here 12 into x cube upon 3 plus x square upon 2 plus c. So now this 12 na, 12 not having only with single, 12 means complete having like this, complete like this. So 12 is also having here, so we can write like this. Okay, don't be confused. Okay, so now here we can write also 12 here is also, so 12 will be here also. So 2 6 are 12. Okay, and 3 4 are 12. So now I is equal to 4x cube plus 6x square plus c. So this is the final answer of this given problem. Clear any doubt? Okay, pakka na? So now you can move next question. So next question, based on that comprehension, it means some story type is given there and they are asking some questions. Okay, so now what they're telling, if a man has velocity varying with the time given as v is equal to 3t square, velocity given, v is in meter per second and t is in second. So what asking, first question you can see, First question asking find out the velocity of the main after 3 seconds. So velocity already given 3t square and velocity asking after 3 seconds. So directly you can place 3 as place of t. It means t is equal to 3 seconds. Directly you can place here. Okay. So you place here. So finally you will get the again velocity. So 3 into 3 3 is a 9. So 9 3 is a 27 meter per second. It means after t is equal to 3 seconds, velocity will be 27 meter per second. So now you can see next question on the screen. Find out his displacement after 2 seconds. Displacement asking. Listen carefully. This is very important. Velocity given 3t square. Asking displacement. Opposite asking. It means we can write here ds over dt is equal to 3t square. So we can write here ds is equal to 3t square dt. So we should find the displacement. It means what we are going to do, integration of this one, 3 integration of this one. Clear it out? So integration of ds, we can write here displacement as and 3 into t cube upon 3. And this is a indefinite integration. So we can plus c we can write here also. So 3 and 3 will cancel. So s is equal to t cube plus c. So this is a displacement equation situation. But listen carefully. What telling there? After 2 seconds. So after 2 seconds means limit situation. So how we can solve this as a limit form? So we can apply here directly limit t cube 0 to 2. Okay. So if you are applying limit, so you will not put the constant value. Okay. So finally we can write here s is equal to 2 cube minus 0 cube. It means upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 cube means 8 meter. So this is a displacement having 8 meter. 8 meter displacement. Okay. So till here any doubt or not? What I did here, nothing I did actually. First I solved this one as a indefinite integration, but after again I read question, there is a given displacement after 2 seconds. It means 0 to 2 we can consider as a limit. So we can place here just like this 0 to 2. We can also place here 0 to 2 we can place, and here 0 to s we can place. So here we can also apply, no need to write this plus c. But if time is not given, so displacement will come as a function of t. Keep remember these things. Okay. So now you can see next question on the screen. Question number 9 is here, but I am giving these questions as a homework. So please you can solve this question. You can send the answer below the comment either on WhatsApp. Our team will help you. As much I can do for you, I will do. So best of luck. We will meet in next video. Thank you so much.